What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we are going to go over this Lasko ceramic tower heater. Now, you may see this heater at Walmart, you might see this heater at Sam's Club, and this one is from Costco. Now, Sam's Club do have one, a real small one. I want to try to get that for our greenhouse. Now, let's go ahead and check this bad boy out. Alright. And that's about it. So this one is not really tall. So this is about medium size. Okay, so you get the remote instructions all on the inside of there. This is 1500 watts. This thing says it has 3 different levels of heat. And it says it's 25% more oscillation than the other Laskos in the past. So we about to check that out right now. Once again, you guys, this is a medium heater. This is not a real big heater, so I'm pretty sure this don't do big rooms. Alright, you guys, now it's time to play with it. Power on. And it say high 3. So H3 must mean high 3. Power again, power off. Woo, the heat come out powerful. Oh, that feels so good. Y'all just don't understand. Oh my god. Alright. Enough of that. Let's go here on the bottom. So this one right here. Right here. Once that camera focus right there, do the levels. So H2, H1. Alright, so that's on the H's. I'm gonna go here on the third one, right on the bottom of that, right here. Plus. Okay, so plus and minus is your basically your thermostat. So right now I got it 72. I got it on 72 and it's 68 inside the house, and that's what it actually is. It's 68. Let's put it on. Alright, so I put it on 68 and it cut down real low. Let me put it down some. See if it'll cut off. I'm trying to see if this is like the one that we reviewed a few weeks ago, the volcano or whatever. We got that upstairs. And it cuts off. Alright, so when you get these things, it cuts off on the temperature that you set it to. I think that is beautiful. Our old Laskos, they never cut off when it hit the temperature. So it just kept going and going and going and going. But with these, it cuts off. So if I want to go back up on temperature, it kicks on higher. The higher you want your temperature, the higher it blows out. Let me go all the way up. Let's see how high it goes. Alright, 90. Just like the other one. So I don't think nothing over exceeds 90. We'll leave it on 90 for right now. Now, right here, alright. So we done with the plus and minus, right? Done. Come on. Alright, so we're done with the plus and minus. Now we're about to get to the time clock, and then we'll do the oscillation. I think that's the oscillation. So we're going to hit the time clock. Oops, I hit minus again. Time clock. So we got 1 hour, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 hours. Alright, so this goes, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0. So this has 8-hour time limit on it. Alright, so if you're in the middle of the night and if you sleep for 8 hours, then this is going to go for 8 hours. If you sleep for 6 hours, this will still be going unless your room hit temperature. And our last feature for this thing, as far as the buttons and all that, we have the oscillation, and let's see that. Now it says 25% more wider oscillation. I don't know if they mean it going around or like the heat dispersing out. Alright, so they said this has a cool touch exterior. So you touch it, it should be cool. Now obviously you don't want to touch the front of this because it's hot. But basically it's saying it's a cool touch exterior and there is no heat coming from the outer sides or the back. Once again, you do not want to touch this middle part because this is where the heat comes out. So this has a automatic overheat protection, so it will not overheat, and it has a tip over safety switch. So just like on the last heater, remember when I took it off and it cut off? This one, it says is a tip over safety switch, so maybe this might do the same thing. So let's see. It cuts off if it tips over. And alright, so it don't cut back on by itself, and you have to cut it back on and put it on the setting that you want it on. Let's leave it at 70. Hey you guys, so if anybody have any questions about, oh, does it cut off when you lift it up? And I have it up in the air right now, and it don't cut off, but it only cuts off when it tilts. So if it tilts, it cuts off. So if you like this review, please leave a like. I will gladly appreciate that. The more likes you get, the more they say the video goes out to different people, so, or people that may like it. But if you know somebody that was looking into this, that's in Costco, it's $49.99. I don't know if it's going to go up on price or not. So if you know somebody that want this little heater and want to see somebody review it, share this video to them so they can know how this thing operates. Alright, and as far as pushing this is basically like touchscreen. There's like no push button right there. Alright you guys, so like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified on the products that I have coming to the channel. And I'll catch y'all in the next video.